Hi everyone! My name is Miss Helen. I work at the Altadena Public Library, and today we are going to be making Boo Boo Bunny ice packs. And all you need for this craft is a washcloth or an old wash rag, a Sharpie, a ribbon, and a rubber band. And this craft is great for developing fine motor skills, and once you finish making your Boo Boo Bunny, it's a great ice pack to soothe bumps and bruises. And it is also a great emotion regulation tool. When you place your Boo Boo Bunny on your cheekbones and side of face, it triggers the diver's response, which is basically a calming hack, and you trick your body into thinking that you're underwater. So if you're dealing with stress or anxiety and big emotions, when they come up, you can use your Boo Boo Bunny to put on your cheekbones and side of face to help manage those big feelings. Okay, and let's get started. So we want to start out with a washcloth, and you want it to be a square. So what I did is I cut mine to be a square, and you're going to form it to be a triangle, like this. And then you're going to take the top point of your triangle and fold it towards you and roll it really tightly, so you make a snake like that. And once you have that, just bend it into a U shape like so, and now we're going to make the head and body of our Boo Boo Bunnies. So you're going to fold back the ends like this, so you can see a split down the middle, and you're going to hold it with one hand and take your rubber band and tie around the front so it's much bigger in the back and you have a small head in the front, and secure your rubber band around like that. And then you are going to pull your ears out. So just pull the ears out like that. And in the back you want to have a donut shaped hole, and that's where you're going to put your ice cube. Okay, and now that we created the head and body, you can go ahead and take your Sharpie and make eyes. And if you have tacky glue or a hot glue gun, you can glue on googly eyes and also a pom-pom bunny tail. So we're going to go ahead and make our eyes. Like that. And now take your favorite ribbon, and you're going to give your bunny a nice ribbon and tie it tight so the body stays in its form. And now you have a Boo Boo Bunny! And you can just put the ice cube inside the donut hole body of the Boo Boo Bunny. And these are Arctic bunnies, so they want to live somewhere cold, so you can keep them in your freezer. And good job, guys! Great job making your Boo Boo Bunnies. Thanks for tuning in and for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!